Richie's nervous, guys. Here we go. So we're doing parasailing today. We tried to do this last year in the same exact spot, but the typhoon went through and we weren't able to. So we're gonna take the parasailing to Manila, right? So this is a long time overdue. We tried to do this last year, but unfortunately the typhoon went through. Are you glad it postponed last time? Are you nervous now?
Yeah, I was glad. Postponed last time, and then I cannot escape.
You can't escape this time.
Yeah.
How you feeling? You feeling confident? Scared? Anxious?
I have adrenaline rush.
Adrenaline, yeah. I'm excited. Woo! Hello, sir. Thank you. So we have a couple people in front of us. If they fly away, then we probably won't go. Is this your guys' first time? Yeah? Us too, us too. All right, nice. Let's go. So it's everyone's first time today. Woo! How you feeling?
Why did I come here?
So we'll go, it's probably best to go first, but we're gonna go, I think, probably last. And then hopefully Richie doesn't change her mind. They're getting ready right now. Whoa! Good luck, guys. Have fun. Yeah. Have fun, guys. How you feeling, Richie? You ready to do this? Woo! Wow!
Oh, not here? Okay.
Okay, sit down first. All right. Sit down your legs. Oh my. Okay, sit down. Like this. Down like this. Okay. Enjoy. All right, thank you. This is so nice, isn't it? It's not scary, right? This is nice.
Oh my god, it's getting higher.
It's nice and smooth though. It's not like bouncy. It's very relaxing.
Dustin, don't touch that one.
Yeah, just don't touch these. Then that will change things. It's very quiet up here.
Oh my gosh, Lord! It's in the deep!
Look at that.
It's so green! Oh my god!
Do you see any sharks down there? You're shaking.
My god!
Look at her hands are shaking.
My god, Lord! Oh!
Maybe you can hear us from here. Hello!
Oh my god! We're getting higher! Oh Lord!
This is nice though, isn't it?
Yes.
It's very peaceful.
I look a green.
We can zip line down.
Woo. Woo.
Wow, this is so peaceful. Look behind us.
Ah!
Whoa!
Mama! Hello, Dustin, we're getting higher. Aren't you scared?
This is nice. Out of 1 to 10, how scared are you?
8.
8? Okay.
Yeah.
What's the scariest thing?
If I will not look down.
Yeah. Don't look down. You can see our shadow. That's Alango Island?
Ulango.
Okay. And then Mactan Island is behind us. And then Cebu is over there. And I think that's Negros maybe? I don't know. I'm probably naming things wrong.
That's our shadow. Oh my
And there's our shadow behind us. And there's Jaws down there waiting for us to fall. Done it. Done it. Done it, done it, done it. Woo! What a ride though. This is amazing. We got a perfect day to do this too. We were surrounded by rainy, windy, cloudy days, and today is perfect.
Water will be like a foam if we fall.
How high do you think we are? How high do you think we are, guys? It's hard to tell.
This one is made. Wow. I can show you the world. Shining, shimmering, splendid. The water is splendid.
The air tastes different up here.
Oh.
You smell that?
Yeah.
It's very scary holding the GoPro. I forgot my little strap I usually put around my wrist when I do things like this.
Yeah.
But I don't have it, so I'm holding on very, very tight.
Oh.
I think they're reeling us in now.
Wow.
Maybe.
They're shaking up.
It's windy up here now.
Oh, I bet they're gonna drone us.
Time for our feet and maybe our body to hit the ground.
Whoa.
Back up. I wonder how far we would fly if that broke. How far this parachute would take us. Yeah. I went skydiving a few times, and with that you can control it. Like if you pull this side, you can go this way. If you pull that side, you can go. But with this, there's no way to control it if this snapped off. You're just in the wind's demand.
Yeah.
So we're not all the way finished yet, but do you recommend this?
Yes.
Would you want to do it again?
They should try this.
What about you? Would you try it again?
Yes.
Yes? Yeah.
Yes.
So you glad you did it?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Challenge accepted.
Yes,
Woo!
challenge completed.
Yes.
So very cool, almost. If we make it all the way down.
Can't say that.
Hopefully it's not mission failed. So last time we were here, we did the jet skiing. There's also a banana boat. And I think there's like wakeboarding too you can do behind the boat. But this one is my favorite, I think. Being up here and just seeing the view. When that wind comes, we keep kind of getting like higher and then lower when the wind dies. And the wind comes again, we get higher. It's a really cool feeling. If you get motion sickness though, this might not be for you. Oh, now we're getting lower. They're starting to slow down.
I bet they're gonna...
I think they're gonna dip us in.
Dip us in. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go.
Ooh.
Oh, get ready. We don't know what's in there. It's shaking because of the wind. I bet they cannot pull. They cannot pull us.
They're like, sorry guys, we can't pull you back in.
Just stay
You guys are
there.
gonna have to stay out there for a while. Alright. We're getting closer to the water now. I'm gonna make sure I have a good grip on my camera for this.
I don't think they're gonna take us down. Oh, here it is.
Ready to get wet? Here we go, here we go.
Just don't drone us, okay? Here we go. You. Oh my god.
Oh, that was fun.
Dustin is heavy.
Alright, here we go again.
Whoa.
It's like water skiing with no skis. Woo! Very cool. Oh, nice. I'm almost what?
You're almost touching that one. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Huh?
Legs up, legs up. Woo!
Yay.
Nice. That's very fun, very good. Thank you for that fun experience. That was awesome. So NTJ Water Sports. Come check it out in Cebu. Alright guys, we just had a really tasty meal at the original AA barbecue. And I recommend coming here. It was really good. We had a really fun day doing parasailing. What'd you think? Were you glad you did it?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
If you didn't do it, you probably would have been kicking yourself.
It was fun. At first, scary, but it was fun. Much fun.
What was the scariest part about it? Like the going up part?
The going up.
Or before you go on it?
Before.
Yeah, when I skydive, if anybody skydived out there, the scariest part is when you're sitting on the edge of the airplane.
Yes.
Like your feet just dangling before you jump.
Yes.
You're just like, oh, what am I doing? This is crazy.
Yes.
But then as soon as you do it, you're like, oh, this is crazy fun.
Yes.
Like it's so much fun. So skydiving is next?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
Skydiving is crazy.
I need to think about that a million times.
The funny thing about skydiving, for me at least, I've done it 3 times. The first time you do it, you don't really know what to expect. So you're scared, but you don't really know how scared to be. Then the second time, you're like, okay, you know how scared it is. By the 3rd time, I was more scared the 3rd time.
Why?
I don't know. So I think my 4th time, I'll probably have a heart attack. Really.
That's why I'm scared when
Every
I
time
jump,
it gets more
I'll
scary.
pass out.
But anyway, we had a really fun day. I'm not sure what's going on tomorrow, but we'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess.
Thanks so much for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later. You're working hard, bro. Unsay mo pangalan?
Chat.
Ched? Alright, man. We got a whole bunch of stuff for you in there, okay? A sandwich, some milk, some treats. This is all for you, alright? Enjoy. Here. Don't be shy. You like sandwiches? Ding dong. How much do you usually make a night out here? Forgot one more. Here you go.
20. Sometimes 20.
So Chad says he usually makes 20 pesos a night. So here's 100 for you, alright?
Wow. Thank you.
So Chad was here when we pulled up, and right away he's like, I'll take care of your bike while you're in the store. So, and he puts rocks behind the bikes like that and there, so the bikes don't roll away. What do you want to be when you grow up?
So may ganahan mo nagdako? Nagdako. Ang sagali? Maestro, kanang doktor, maestro, teacher.
Teacher, all right. What's your favorite subject to teach?
So may ganahan mo nga itudto na subject sa eskwelahan? Reading.
Reading.
Yeah.
All right. Do you have a favorite teacher? Want to give a shout out to your favorite teacher?
Shout out imong teacher. Hi teacher. Hi teacher.
What's your teacher's name?
Si Paan si imong teacher?
Teacher Grace.
Teacher Grace. All right, Teacher Grace. You're doing a great job, Teacher Grace. So when you get off of school, you come here and try to earn money each night?
So ni kuman nimo sa eskwelahan mo rin kadre. Kadre gabi. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, keep doing a good job, all right? And study hard in school.
Eskwela daw umay, eskwela daw taro. Okay?
Enjoy your snacks tonight, all right?
Dami? Speechless. Bye-bye.
Later, bro.
Basta may